Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best auto body stand is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious DIY mechanic or professional auto body technician. It provides a stable and adjustable platform to work on car panels, making tasks like painting, dent removal, and bodywork much easier and more efficient. Whether you're restoring a classic car or simply repairing a fender, having a reliable auto body stand can significantly improve the quality of your work and save you valuable time. Number 5. TCP Global 18 Mobile Masking Machine. This is the TCP Global 18 Mobile Masking Machine. It's designed to make your masking tasks easier and more efficient. It's a great tool for auto body work and painting. The machine features a sturdy and mobile design. It has integrated handles and tires, so you can easily move it around your workspace. This makes it convenient for various work environments. This unit can also serve as a 16-inch high step stool. This gives you extra reach when you need it. It's a versatile tool that helps you get the job done. It can accommodate masking paper rolls up to 18 inches wide. You can use any combination of rolls you need. Please note that masking paper is not included. The machine uses a sharp, anodized blade for clean cuts. This ensures smooth cuts of masking paper every time. It enhances application efficiency. It's designed with adjustable washers. These washers ensure the tape and paper are always properly aligned. This supports precise and professional masking results. What we like. This masking machine is designed for mobility, allowing you to move it around your workspace with ease. It also doubles as a step stool, providing extra reach when needed. If you're looking for a versatile tool that saves time and effort in your auto body projects, you should consider this. What people say. The overall quality is very good. Once assembled properly, it works great. I like the ability to run 12-inch, 18, paper and put tape on both ends of the paper, 18 only. Works good. Number 4. Master Elite 7-foot Adjustable Paint Hanger Drying Rack. This is the Master Elite Drying Rack. It's designed to make your painting projects easier. The rack is adjustable and mobile, perfect for any auto body shop. The height adjusts up to 6.8 feet, accommodating various panel sizes. It extends from 50 to 80 inches, providing flexibility for different projects. This feature makes it ideal for different car parts. Made from durable steel, this rack is built to last. It's designed to withstand the demands of a busy workshop. You can rely on it for all your painting needs. With 4 swivel locking wheels, it's easy to move around your workspace. 2 of the wheels have brakes to keep it secure. This allows you to position it exactly where you need it. It's perfect for hanging car panels, doors, and more. It's an essential tool for any automotive painter. This rack will save you time and money. The rack has a powder-coated finish for rust protection. It also includes installation instructions. This ensures it will last for years to come. What we like. This paint hanger drying rack features an adjustable height, making it suitable for various car parts. It's built with a sturdy base and equipped with wheels for easy movement around the shop. If you're an automotive painter looking to save time and money, it's a great choice. What people say. Easy to put together and works as intended. Seems sturdy and holds a lot of weight. When I opened the box I found everything needed with clear assembly instructions. I had it together in no time. Hung a Ford Ranger hood up and the stand was solid. Finished painting the hood and parked off to the side with ease. Was easy to assemble, has decent working space. Moves around easily. Number 3. LAUCO Bumper Stand for Car Bumper Repair. This stand is designed to make your auto body repairs easier. It allows you to prep and paint bumper covers without touching the car's surface. This will help you work more efficiently. The stand's adjustable arms expand to fit various bumper sizes. Protective rubber boots keep the bumper secure and prevent scratches. This ensures the bumper is held safely. You can rotate the bumper cover 90 degrees for easy access. It also has 5 locking positions to adjust the height and angle. This gives you optimal comfort and control. The stand has a sturdy steel frame with a powder coat finish. For industrial-grade caster wheels provide stability and easy movement. The wheels make it easy to move around your workspace. This stand reduces prep and painting time. The rubber boots protect the bumper from overspray. This minimizes the need for extra masking and touch-ups. The adjustable bumper repair stand is easy to assemble and use. The design allows for quick adjustments and positioning of the bumper cover. It's simple to use, even if you're a beginner. What we like. This bumper stand offers multiple angles for effortless painting, allowing you to reach every part of the bumper. It provides damage-free support with protective rubber boots. If you need a stand that simplifies the prepping and painting process, this is the one for you. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and well built. It is easy to assemble and use. The stand works great for holding body panels while working on them. Number 2. ATD Tools 7811 Work Stand. This is the ATD Tools 7811 Work Stand. It's designed to provide a stable and reliable work surface for various tasks. This stand is a great addition to any workshop. The stand boasts a 500-pound capacity, making it suitable for heavy-duty projects. You can confidently place your equipment or materials on it without worry. It's built to last. Despite its strength, the stand features a lightweight construction. This makes it easy to move around your workspace. It's designed for convenience and portability. This work stand is manufactured in China. It's built to meet quality standards. You can rely on it for your projects. The package dimensions are 106.934 centimeters in height, 5.334 centimeters in length, and 38.354 centimeters in width. The package weighs 6.01 kilograms. It's a complete package for your needs. What we like. This work stand is built with lightweight construction, making it easy to move around. It's also capable of supporting up to 500 pounds. If you need a simple, yet reliable stand for your projects, it's a solid option. What people say. Easy to assemble, functions as described, lightweight, durability is great, great design and does not bind or stick. These sawhorse-style stands are strong, lightweight, easy to use, and fold for convenient storage. Quality is well-made, chains on it are quite strong. Number 1. K-Tool International 79750 Fender Stand. This Fender stand is built to last. It can handle up to 500 pounds, thanks to its powder-coated tubular steel construction. This makes it perfect for any heavy-duty project. Need to work on different parts. The adjustable arms let you customize the height. This makes it ideal for sanding, painting, and drying. Delicate parts are safe with this stand. The padded arms protect against scratches and dents. It's the perfect tool for any restoration. Space is always a premium. This stand folds up for easy storage and transport. Take it with you or keep it out of the way when not in use. Work with confidence. The non-skid feet keep this stand firmly in place. It provides maximum stability on any surface, protecting your workspace. What we like. This Fender stand is built with high capacity and adjustable height. It features a foldable design for easy storage and transport. If you're working in a busy garage and need a space-saving solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and well built. It is also very easy to adjust and maneuver around the shop. The stand is a great addition to any auto body shop. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.